Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install iZotope Ozone for mastering YouTube loudness step by step clearly. Begin by downloading the iZotope Ozone installer from the official website. Locate the downloaded file in your computer's downloads folder. Double-click the installer to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed. When prompted, select your preferred installation location and click Next. Choose the components you want to install and click Next once more. Accept the license agreement to continue with the installation. After installation, launch your digital audio workstation, or DAW. Open the project you want to master. Go to the Effects or Plugins section of your DAW. Search for iZotope Ozone in the list of available plugins. Insert Ozone onto the master channel of your project. Once Ozone opens, familiarize yourself with the interface. Start by using the equalizer module to balance the frequency spectrum. Next, add the dynamics module to control the overall loudness. Use the maximizer to increase the level without clipping. Adjust the threshold and ceiling settings to achieve desired loudness. Utilize the imager to enhance the stereo width if needed. Preview your master by playing back the full track. Make further adjustments to each module as necessary. Once satisfied with your settings, navigate to the export option in your DAW. Choose your preferred file format and resolution for the final master. Click Export and wait for the rendering process to complete. Your mastered track is now ready for distribution or upload to YouTube. Review the final export to ensure it meets your expectations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.